Welcome to Vegan Method. This is my recipe for sweet potato smash. To start with, you need a pot of water ready to go on the boil, and we've got a bowl of sweet potato, which was a medium sweet potato, 4 medium carrots, black pepper, salt, chili powder and onion powder. And we have 2 peeled garlic cloves, which are just cut in half, ready to go into the pot. The water's heating up, so we're just going to add the garlic cloves and wait for it to start boiling. Once the pan of water is boiling, you need 15 to 20 minutes for it to cook through. So now we just drain the sweet potato, carrots and garlic. So once they're drained, we're just going to pop them back into the pot to keep them nice and warm. Going to add the chili powder and the onion powder. This will definitely give the smash a bit of a kick. I'm using a hand blender to blend the smash. I've added around half a cup of warm water just to make sure it blends smoothly. And after blending, this is what it looks like. It's not quite mash and it's not quite soup. I'm now just going to add a handful of walnuts to give it a bit of a crunch. Now I'm just going to add a splash of balsamic to give the flavour one extra kick. And that's it. You have a nice sweet potato smash with walnuts, balsamic, garlic and chilli. Enjoy. And if you have any left over, it goes perfectly well in the freezer to enjoy another day.